Right. Good evening, students. Look here. Today we are speaking about list of topics. This is new chapter, which is a fifth chapter, periodic classification of elements. From this periodic classification of elements, if you not understand any concept, I will read for you and I will explain you. Look here clearly. List of topics. List of topics, introduction, normally for all the chapters. Debbie Rayner's trade classification, Newland's law of October, Mendeleev's periodic classification and modern periodic table, atomic properties and their variations, atomic properties and their variations along groups and periods. Here what we are looking, look here, right, look here. They are the topics. From that, what we are taking, first of all, classification of elements. Elements are very different and more elements are there, not one or two. Number of elements are there. There are many elements, not one or two. There are many elements, and please look here. Difficult to study. Difficult to study their properties. For study easier, classification of elements is done. Classification of elements is done to study easily the number of elements, I mean all the elements. What is a classification? I written here. Classification. What is it? In groups, classification. In grouping of similar elements together. Grouping of similar elements together, same character containing elements in one box. So classification in grouping of similar elements together and separating them from dissimilar ones. Similar elements one side, not similar elements one side, separating the elements, that is called classification. I mean separating, not only separating, after separating we are grouping them. Look here, this is modern periodic table. In that modern periodic table, three types of elements are there. One, metals. Second, metalloids, half like metal, half like non-metals. And here, non-metals. Three types. One, two, three. Metals, non-metals and metalloids. Here, this red N, where I written N with red ink, that all are non-metals. N, this all. N, this all, and this all, and this. So totally with red N, when I written with red marker N, that all are non-metals. And here blue color circles I drawn for you. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are metalloids, not metals. Remaining all are metals. Which is empty boxes are there, na? They all are metals. You can understand. Look here. Dobby Rayner's history. Dobby Rayner's history. He born 1829. What is his history? That is important. First organizer of elements. First organizer. First of all, this Dobby Rayner's is studied John Dalton Doberaners. John Doberaners is studied all the elements character. First organizer of elements by grouped them in three groups. Grouped them in three groups called triads. Doberaners made three elements on one side like a group. That three elements grouping process is called triads. Triads. Look here, when elements are arranged in order of increasing, please keep this. When elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic masses, groups of three elements have similar, please remember this, groups of three elements have similar chemical properties are obtained. Look here, mid element is arithmetic mean of atomic masses of other two elements. Middle element is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean meaning is that average when you are taking, 1 plus 3, first element plus third element when you are dividing. Look here, first element and third element when you are dividing with 2, this process is called arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic value you are getting second element correctly, middle element sodium. And next what he given, look here also be chlorine, bromine, iodine. 35. 35.5, not 36. 35.5 plus 127 by 2 is equal to 81. And next what is given, look here, 7, 23, 39 are alkali groups. Alkali group, these all are lithium, sodium, potassium are alkali group. They have same chemical properties. What chemical properties contained by potassium, sodium, lithium also be? Potassium have which chemical properties? That same chemical properties are maintained by lithium and sodium. Look here, all are metals. First point, these all are metals. Second, all react with water to form alkalis. Please remember, alkalis, to form alkalis. And valence of potassium, sodium, either lithium is 1 electron, minus 1 electron, only 1 electron valence. Here look, if you want, here calcium, strontium, barium, alkaline group are triad. Look here, these are alkaline group. Not then we can call triad because three elements group is that. That's why. All are metals, first point. Second point is that oxides of them are alkaline. Oxides of them are alkaline. This is alkali, this is alkaline. Differences already, chemicals, equations and reactions completed. Once go to alkaline, alkali, once go for study them. If you don't know, just give me one WhatsApp, I will explain you. Valency is 2 electrons of this calcium 2 only, strontium 2 only, barium 2 only. At atomic masses of strontium is 40 plus 137 by 2 is equal to 88. Chlorine, bromine, iodine. Look here, these are halogen group. Chlorine, bromine, iodines are halogen group. All are non-metals. Please keep this. All react with water to form acids. Valence is 1. Atomic mass of bromine is 35.5 plus 127 by 2 is equal to 80. Limitation also be there. Dobereiner's limitation is that failed to arrange all known elements in form of triad. He failed to arrange all. Some he arranged, but not all. And look here next. Look, my dear student, here very clear. We have the forms to understand. Clear structure is that when we can look here, Newland's arrangement, Newland's law of octaves. Octaves mean what is it? What he done? Look here. He arranged in order of increasing atomic masses. He arranged in order of increasing atomic masses of elements. The properties of eighth element are a repetition of properties of first element. Eighth element property is repetition of first element. Look here, divided the elements into horizontal rows of 7 elements such as sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, and this is eighth one. Sa again. I mean sarigama padanisa he used. Look here. This is the table. Newland's table. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, barium, magnesium, calcium, boron, aluminium, carbon, silicon, titanium, and nitrogen, phosphorus, oxygen, sulfur, and this is fluorine and chlorine. When you are taking, for example, mines, this is silicon is my eighth element. For example, silicon is my eighth element. This is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I mean carbon and silicon properties are same. For repetition, what properties silicon containing, carbon also containing same properties. For example, not that mines. For example, mines is beryllium. No, calcium, for example, calcium I taken, calcium. Calcium is my eighth element. So, 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2, and 1. So, magnesium and calcium characters are same. Eighth element you should select. For example, magnesium is my eighth element. Okay, eighth. This is 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, and 3rd, and 2, and 1. So, magnesium and boron. Sometime you will get the doubt. For example, okay, leave it. Now, what is the doubt? For example, lithium. Lithium is my eighth element. Eighth element mean before after that not there. That's why go ahead first of all. Lithium is 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2, and 1. So, sodium and lithium characters are same. What is the limitation for him? Limitation also with there for Newland's table. What is the limitation? Look here. He classified elements only up to calcium in this way. Only up to calcium he classified, but remaining he not classified. So there he was failed. Okay, thank you.